wonder if I'm link with somebody from 21, you know.
I don't think so. Based on what ranking they tell we do go on with that new Daniel. If no one be a part of none of that.
Maybe some outside man I'm link with them.
Remember, so we still can't rule out Siva, you know. But over there, so them confirm say him did there. Not to mention the whole house where the weapons them did find. We don't know if him have anywhere else over there where weapons tuck were neatly.
I don't think Butchers is stupid. If I'm link with Siva, how Hittis wouldn't know nothing about it?
Maybe it is just realize say him a turn over a new leaf and him have a youth to pay attention to now. So him a try protect for him own.
That's it. You see worse than this. Remember how what they run off? Say I say never remember say him have a youth them time there. Maybe I wonder if the man really just a protect Butcher.
You got talk to Hittis the other day. What kind of vibe you get from him?
If me if you judge it, him sound sincere. But sometimes you see with mankind, they don't even know how to believe.
That is true. But what I can tell you is that it now going to end well for them. But they've never make myself present. All that gonna happen is some officers are gonna go for them. And that is it.
You know, it's a base power since the incident. None of the man them not link with ranking, you know. And that's why I wonder if the man them really a farm something.
You did get a chance to scout out the area when you go over there?
No, the rain that far. So it never made no sense to take out the walker.
Okay. You think if we separate Butcher and Hittis and question Hittis some more, like press him, dig him down, you think would I get something from him?
Well, I think them separated already, you know. All you have to do is just go in. Because I don't see no connection.
Well, my name X have football in common. And it look like him still a reach out to her.
Is she here? Is she here in Jamaica?
No, she is not in Jamaica. She's been overseas for 3 years now.
Tony, and listen, don't let that get to you. You're here with him. She's not here with him.
And then she had a problem. Him just not spend no time with me. Him work 4 days of the week. When I'm day off, him train every day. And on weekends, him coach the kids them. When I talk to him about it, him say I'm toxic or I don't want him to play football.
And how was your approach when you spoke to him about it? Because if I remember correctly, you sort of have a communication issue.
I spoke to him in the calmest way.
Well, something must have triggered it. Toxic is a bit much.
The truth is, I did mention his ex-girlfriend.
So therein lies the problem. Tonian, when you have difficulties like these or conversations like these, you don't want to bring in a third party. You don't want to mention a third party. You want to just keep it between the both of you.
I guess it's just when him say trigger me. Him say me are the wrong person to talk to about football. And I know him and him ex have that in common, so I end up mention her name.
You mentioned that they might still be in contact. How deep do you think it is? Do you think they're getting closer again?
Well, she seems to be him personal physiotherapist. She call him and I tell him how to manage him injury, so I'm close.
Yeah, but that could just be two people who used to be in a relationship having an understanding as friends.
Call it woman intuition. I can feel it. Them close.
Okay, let me give you some pointers. Don't actually let him wonder if it's still bothering you. The last thing I want you to do is to crowd him, right? Or to bombard him in any way. What is it that you're doing differently now? Because I realize that you haven't started on the lounge at all. You're not doing the program. What else are you doing right now to occupy your time?
I teach aerobic class with Chris.
Alright. Can do that. In the meantime, we're gonna need 4 more eyes over there. So we need somebody at a bar, we need somebody at one stall, we need somebody who live in the community. We can give you some good details.